Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best air fryer this year, you're in the right place. In today's episode, we're counting down the top 5 best air fryers for 2025, featuring the latest models, biggest improvements, and tips on what really matters when choosing one. Whether you're cooking for one, prepping meals for the week, or feeding the whole family, we've got something you'll love. And yes, I'll drop the direct links in the description so you can check them out easily. So let's jump right in and find the perfect air fryer for your kitchen. 5. Cuisinart Air Fryer Convection Toaster Oven. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, the ultimate all-in-one cooking powerhouse. Experience superior operation with its adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and toast shade selector, giving you full control from warm to 450-degree Fahrenheit for perfect results every time. With versatile cooking functions like air fry, toast, convection bake, broil, grill, and more, this 1800-watt machine replaces multiple appliances in one sleek design. Thanks to Air Advantage technology, you'll enjoy faster, crispier, and tastier meals, from golden fries to juicy chicken wings. Plus, its spacious capacity lets you toast 6 slices, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken with ease. Complete with premium accessories, oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and nonstick grill griddle, cleanup is a breeze. Perfect for anyone who loves delicious food made fast. 4. Emeril Lagasse Extra Large 26QT French Door Air Fryer Oven. Introducing the ultimate air fryer and multi-cooker combo. Transform your kitchen experience with this versatile 26-quart air fryer and multi-cooker. Perfect for everything from crispy after-school snacks to roasting a full 6-pound chicken for family dinners. With its dual-speed fan and 360-degree superheated air circulation, enjoy golden, crispy perfection every time. The auto shut-off toast function ensures your bread is perfectly toasted, never burnt, while the red and blue indicator lights keep things simple and smart. Its sleek stainless steel design and elegant French doors make it a stunning addition to any kitchen, and the spacious interior fits a 12-inch pizza with ease. Whether you're meal prepping, entertaining, or cooking for the family, this air fryer and toaster oven combo will take your home cooking to the next level. 3. Chefman Square Air Fryer. Crispy and healthy cooking made easy. Dive into the world of the Chefman Digital Air Fryer Oven. Your new kitchen hero for guilt-free indulgence. Enjoy perfectly crispy fries, juicy chicken, golden pizza, and roasted veggies with up to 98% less oil. With one-touch presets, you can whip up meals instantly, while the LED shake reminder ensures every bite is evenly crisped. Its precise temperature control, 200 to 400 degree Fahrenheit, lets you master every recipe, and the intelligent shutoff system keeps safety first. Designed for families of 4 to 6, the 8-quart capacity means more food, faster, without the mess, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. Sleek, spacious, and CETL approved, this stainless steel air fryer is the perfect blend of style, safety, and performance. Upgrade your kitchen and cook smarter today. 2. Ninja AF181. Meet the Ninja AF181 air fryer, your ultimate kitchen game changer. Experience max crisp technology that delivers up to 450 degree Fahrenheit of superheated air for faster, hotter, and extra crispy results using little to no oil. Perfect for golden fries, juicy wings, and more. Enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Its XL 6.5-quart capacity holds up to 5 pounds of fries or 9 pounds of chicken wings, ideal for family feasts or game day snacks. No need to thaw. Go from frozen to crispy in minutes with powerful Max Crisp settings. With 6-in-1 cooking functions, Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. This compact, space-saving design fits perfectly on your countertop. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket, and crisper plate. Plus, you'll get a 20-recipe chef-created cookbook to help you start cooking like a pro. Upgrade your meals. Make them crispy, healthy, and delicious with the Ninja AF181 Air Fryer. 1. Cosori CAF DC601. Upgrade your cooking game with the all-new Cosori Air Fryer. Introducing the Air Fryer Upgrade, powered by innovative TurboBlaze technology, featuring a 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees for irresistibly crispy, juicy results every time. With a 5-speed fan system and precise 90-degree to 450 degrees temperature control, every dish is cooked evenly to perfection. The premium ceramic coating on the basket and crisper tray ensures a durable, non-stick, and heat-resistant cooking surface, easy to clean and built to last. Save time with TurboBlaze's faster cooking performance and enjoy family-sized meals in the 6-quart square basket without sacrificing counter space. Experience peace and quiet in your kitchen with operation under 53 dB and indulge guilt-free with up to 95% less oil for the same crispy taste you love. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup and comes with a customizable preheat function for total control. Don't forget to check the box for your 30-recipe cookbook, created by chefs and dietitians to inspire your next delicious creation. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best air fryers of 2025. Each of these models brings something unique to the table. Whether you're after versatility, compact design, or advanced cooking tech, there's an option here for you. All product links are listed in the description below, so make sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next product review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Information House, helping you make smarter shopping decisions.